Oh, I think Nina is 5 kilograms. Ayan guys.
Hold it.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh.
Good morning, Nina.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning guys. Dahil ubos ng ating supply ng vegetable from allotment, me and Nina are going to harvest some of our vegetable. So check natin, Nina, ang ating vegetable na hinarvest natin kasama si Mami Shama. Ayan o. We still have some tomatoes, pero ang talong, wala na tayong talong. And ampalaya, dalawa lang ang natira. Courgette yan na lang, paubos na din. And what is this? Carrots. Nako, ito na lang natin sa ating carrots. And ang ating Nina, beetroot. Ito na lang, kailangan natin ng beetroot. How about cherry tomatoes? Yan na lang natira sa ating cherry tomatoes. And Nina, you know, today we're going to harvest upo.
Upo?
Yeah, it's big now.
What's upo?
Dudi in Gujarat.
Oh.
Yeah, the long one, vegetable.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yesterday I watered the plants and I saw they are ready. So yun guys, punta na kami ni Nini sa allotment. Wala si Mami Shama kasi nasa trabaho.
So guys, we are now in the allotments and we're just going to park inside.
Yeah, dinala ko na yung car because of Nina. And also, yun guys, this year we haven't got much rain. I think Nina, it's almost 2 months guys.
Yeah, 2 months.
2 months we haven't got any rain. So medyo may problema tayo sa productivity and quality ng vegetable.
Yeah, because plants cannot survive without rain, like natural rain.
Nina, natural rain is better than tap water. So especially our corn, it's not good quality this
not
year.
good.
Alright, so let's go inside, Nina. I'm opening this gate, yeah?
Yeah.
Nina, you will be shocked with our upo. Ayan guys, so ang dami ng ating tomatoes.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, we will harvest them all, Nina, the tomatoes. Alright. And si Nina. Yan guys, so talaga nakaka-amaze tong ating upo. What do you think? Go there, Nina. Huh? It's big. Yeah.
Long.
Very long. This is upo. Ayan guys, so it's time to harvest. Grabe, ang haba talaga, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, Mommy miss this. Yeah? She wants to harvest this on her own. But Nina, the first one we will harvest is this side. Mayroon isa dito. See this one? Could you please hold this? Ayan, oh. Yeah. Like this. Go there. Yeah, Nina, this side because it's against the light. 1 second. Okay?
Yeah.
Get that thing, please. It's alright like this. Ano ang haba, oh. Same din siya nito. No, not that one. This is very small. Yeah, the other one. Put it here. Oh. Dear. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look. Oh, yes, show. All right. Okay, I think how many we have to harvest?
Get
Check
the
that,
big
sir.
one. Get the
Yeah?
big one.
The big one? Huh?
This big one.
This is the big one? Oh,
No,
wait.
this one.
Huh?
Look at that. This one. Look. Do you see height difference?
Which one? Ah, yeah. This is the biggest. Actually, Nini, we can harvest them all, but it's so many, so we're going to harvest only
2?
2, yeah? All right. Okay. And hold this one, please.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
I'll hold it.
Yeah. All right.
Oh.
Oh, that is very long compared to that one.
Yeah, that's why.
Ayan guys, so
I think it's like 2 kilos or whatever.
2 kilos?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like no, it's like more than half kg. This one.
Yeah, and
And
like this one's like same.
yeah,
I don't know. I'm
yeah,
not
it's
sure.
very heavy. I don't know. I'm not sure, but definitely it's more than
You can't even
1
fit in this
kg.
bowl. Look.
Yeah. Oh no,
So
no
this,
more now.
This one is so big.
No
and
more.
you
Yeah,
can-
guys. So very happy with our upo. All right.
Yeah.
So next is I think ampalaya or talong. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna harvest our ampalaya. Show it Nina our ampalaya. Ayan no. Do you want to harvest or I will harvest?
I want to harvest.
Yeah, Nina will harvest it. Come on.
How many?
Together. I think all. We have to harvest na all. Ayan guys oh. So I think you just need to pinch. Yeah, try to pinch it. Let me see. No. I will help you. Come on now. Two of them. Ayan guys oh. Show it here.
Yes. Look at this. This is a small one and this is a big one.
Yeah.
They're spiky.
Spiky. This is
that's
like
nice,
native from
Yeah.
Gujarat. Yeah, from India.
It's
Okay.
nice though. It's like
Let's see.
with
We will
rice.
harvest all. Ayan guys oh. Those two. Yeah. Ano. Alright. And this one. Hold this one. Ay, ang laki nito oh.
This big one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
Yeah. Look.
Masarap yan guys. Talagang ano. Very strong. Ang sarap. And ine.
Very sour.
Chick. No, bitter.
A bit. Yeah.
But that is
bitter.
nice. For two. Look. See?
Oh, 2. Where?
Yan guys oh. Nasa floor lang.
Here one.
Yeah. Oh, Nina, sarap-sarap nito. Iba talaga. Yan guys, para lang kaming nasa Pinas talaga dito sa UK. Continuation nga pala ito ng aming video part 2. Para kaming nasa Pinas. Alright, Nina, we'll check more. Ha?
Yeah.
Maliit lang naman itong puno na to. Here, Nina. Here. This will do. Yeah? Yan, no? Okay. And how about maliliit pa to. The other side is still there. Okay? And guys, ito yung aming second na ampalaya plant. Nina, come on. Where? Have you seen?
Oh, there.
Come on, get it. Where?
Here.
Ah, yes.
Oh. Wait, what's that?
Oh, sorry. No, it's just plant.
Oh,
Alright.
yeah, spiky plant. It made
Spiky
me
plant.
heard that, so I'm like,
Come on, hold this. Alright. Madami-dami ngayon Nini, oh.
yeah.
Here. Come on, this one. Okay. And, oh, if mom is here, she will be very, very happy. Young guys, oh. Yeah, this is the giant. I mean, not giant, the green squash.
Is it still baby?
Yeah, no, it's alright. You see? Started to get green. This is the green squash, okay? So, Nina, I'll harvest it quick. Yan, no? Ang dami. Oh, please count how many there now. Yeah? And let's see.
1,
The ampalaya only, yeah?
3, 4.
And here, yan guys, oh, dito. Nasa looban ng mais. Yan, oh.
That's 13.
13 already? Oh, my God. One second.
I'm gonna put some in there.
And 2 more Nina. 15. Yeah, 15 ang palaya. So let's see guys. Hahanap pa kami dito. Parang ito guys yung pinakamalaki oh. Ayan oh. Kumabag na siya sa maisan. Ayan ang puno. Umano na siya. Nag-spread out na siya sa maisan natin. Nina is still here like oh. Ang dami oh. Hold this please. Yeah. Ayan guys oh. I think almost 20 now. Ayan oh.
I think it's getting
Alright.
full now.
It's getting full.
Yeah, look.
Let me see. Could you please lift this up? I will lift this up because it's heavy. Ayan guys oh. It's almost
Heavy?
20 na, our ampalaya.
Is it heavy?
It's very heavy.
Can I try?
Huh?
Can I try? I want to try.
Still alright. Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
Yeah, like
Alright.
kind of heavy.
So, after this is talong. Yeah? And Nini is going to harvest our talong here. Yan, Nina, come on. These two. Yan, no? Ang lalaki na. Please, these two.
This one first.
Yeah. At least Nini is learning.
Look at it. It's like an N.
Yeah. And this one. Yan, no?
Where's
Ang sarap ito.
stems?
Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Yes. Alright, Nina. I'll do the other. Yeah. So it's quick. Marami man dito, oh. Yan, this one. Come on, Nina. Put it there. 3. How many 3 now, yeah? 3. Ang marami, I think, marami ating tomatoes this time. At saka ang ampalaya. Nina, this is still small, yeah? This is still small. Nina. Here. This one will do. Yan, oh.
Yeah, I see.
Come here.
Cut.
Okay. And I think more there. Yeah. Put it there. Yeah, nice. Hold this, Nina. Go there. I'll show you the more. Oh, guys. And Nina, you please harvest this round, the round one. Ayan, no? Go that side. Ayan, no?
Yeah. These.
No, not this. This.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
this.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Yeah, that side.
Wait. I did it.
Yeah, success. All right. And this one is still small. It's all right.
Okay.
Next time, okay?
It looks very odd.
Huh?
It looks very odd.
So, Nina, see, we're gonna fill this up with tomatoes, yeah? Ayan, guys, oh. Ang gaganda na. And cherry. So, let's see. Could you please do this first, Nina? Ayan, oh. You
Oh,
take the
I
other
got
one.
Sorry.
Alright. Okay. Nina, I'll do this like this. Yeah? It's easy. Come on, get this one. You just do like this, yeah?
You just pull them.
Yes. Yeah, now plum tomatoes. This is plum tomatoes. Okay, Nina. I think we have to harvest as well like this. Because mommy will press it. So, Nina, come on, harvest some cherries.
Cherry tomato.
Ayan, ang dami. Ito pa, oh, ang dami sa lapag. How about cherries, tomatoes? Put it here, Nina. Come on. It's easy to make the cherries. Yeah?
Yeah. I can.
So yan guys, sigurado mapupuno namin to ni Nina. Okay? Nina, check this out, Nina. This is very big. Give me this. Ayan guys, oh. Ang lalaki nito, oh. Nasa ilalim lang, oh. Nina, see?
Oh my
This is
god.
different tomatoes.
What kind of tomatoes? A pumpkin tomato?
Yeah, come on. It's like pumpkin, yeah? I'll show you more here. See? Here. Yan guys ang advantage kapag meron kang sarili mong vegetable garden. Yeah, it's all organic and fresh. Oh, I don't know which one I have to harvest it, but anyway, we will harvest this all, Nina.
Cherry tomatoes?
Even cherry tomatoes, yan ang sarap, oh. Guys, ang tamis nito.
Big harvest.
Ang tamis. Nina, ang tamis.
Nice.
Yan guys, umapaw na ang ating tomatoes. Hindi pa, we're not finished yet, Nina, harvesting our tomatoes. Meron pa doon sa banda doon, the tomatoes. And guys, I'll show you kung gaano kadami. One second, Nina, it's heavy, yeah? Heavy, yeah? Yan guys, oh, hitik na hitik sa bunga, oh. Ang dami pa.
Oh no.
Oh, Nina, Alright. Oh, Nini, si Nini is struggling now.
How can you hold that with one hand?
Okay, yeah, go there. We'll harvest more here. Yan meron pa kasi dito kaming ilan. So, Nina, those cherries. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ayan cherries here. Come on, start to pick up these cherries. Ayan nasa lupa na lang. Nakalapat na sa lupa. Anyway, this is their natural way. And okay. Ayan, Nina, come on. Put it here.
Oh.
Grabe, ang dami.
There's one more.
Yeah, one more. Here.
Oh my goodness.
And
Oh, there's more there.
yeah, I know. More there. More here. And Nine, check this giant. Ayan Ang lalaki Giant one.
It's gonna turn red.
Yeah.
This is
Maybe
still not
up-
ripe yet.
No,
No.
it's not ripe yet. Maybe after 2 weeks. Ang dami.
But yeah, it's gonna show it's red after that.
Alright. So yan guys. Oh, I think Nina is 5 kilograms. 5 kilograms of tomato. So, pipino naman ang ating harvestin. Dito meron tayong pipino. Lumaki na Sumobrang laki na. Yan lang naman ang ating puno. Yan Ang dami palang bunga dito sa ilalim. Check natin itong puno to. Yan one. And this one. Harvest na rin natin ito. Maliit pa to. Ito malaki. This one. And I think here. Yeah, this will do. Ayan guys nasa floor na sila. Ayan. Ang sarap ng pipino na to. 2 and more here. This is the big one. So ayan guys, ito ang pinakamalaki. Ayan. Here, 3. Ayan sarap nito. Sarap nito guys. Ayan guys, ang ating Gujarat cucumber. Meron tayo dito ang isang natira. Ayan ang laki. Compare doon sa English cucumber. Mas masarap yung where is that? Nag-struggle tayo Ayan yes. Ayan. Bigger than English one, pero mas masarap to para sa akin. Guys, yung courgette natin, mabilis kasi silang lumaki. Kaya ayan ilang araw lang akong hindi nag-harvest ng courgette naging giant na siya. Pero we're going to try the small one. Ayan nag-giant na sila. Medyo mature na to. Ito pa but I'm going to harvest the small one. This is better. Like this. Better we harvest na this. And some here. This is still alright. Right, medyo malaki na. Pwede pa to. Ayan masarap, mas magaling ang may supply. And how about here? Medyo maliit naman to. Dito muna sila. And I think I will harvest the small one. Yeah, this. Masarap din to, salad. Guys, check natin yung ating melon, sweet melon kung malaki na. Ayan ang laki na ng ating sweet melon. Meron pang pasunod na isa maliit. Alright. And I think one more here. Ayan ang laki na. And ang ating petsay sumobrang laki na. So mag-harvest din tayo ng petsay. Oh, it's getting hot na guys. So we're going to harvest some beetroot and also I think summer squash yan Ang lalaki ng beetroot na to Ayan. Big one, giant one. Ayan oh. Mas okay yung ano eh, intercropping talaga eh. Ayan oh, beside beetroot. Tapos yung mga tomatoes, meron tayong sweet corn, may chili. Pero yan nakakaano ng space. Kasi maliit lang naman to, 5 poles, parang 100 square meter. Pero pagka intercropping, ang dami mong naitatanim. So, ito pa oh. Ayan. Dalawa. Saan pa ba? Ito, harvest na rin natin to. Sobrang laki na oh. Giant na oh. Ayan oh. Ganda. Para lumuwag-luwag yung space dito. So at least yung ating tomato magkakaroon ng space. Masarap kasi magpapakbit tayo guys. Meron tayong matured na summer squash. So ha-harvest tayo ng isa. Ayan oh. Ilan ba to? Parang 5 eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mag-harvest tayo ng medyo maliit lang. Na ito lang. Pang pakbit lang para kumpletos ricados. And yung matitira ay ating i-store para sa winter meron tayo. So yan guys, very happy sa aming harvest for today. Ayan na, para talagang nasa Philippines. Nina will sort this out back home, yeah? Because let's see, I think our fridge is not enough for days. Ayan na, loads of tomatoes, kerala, ampalaya, ang lalaki ng ating beetroot, pipino, and this courgette and green squash. And meron pa tayong ating oh, what are you doing, Nina?
I'm just saying.
Upo, yeah? So, we're going home, Nina, and let's see, yeah?
Oh, is it heavy?
Huh?
Is it heavy?
Oh, it's very heavy. It's like, Nina, like this 10 kilograms. Definitely. We have. Lahat ng ating na-harvest for today. Meron din tayong, yan nga, petsay at saka talbos ng sayote. Nag-harvest din tayo ng what is this? Coriander. Ang bango nito. Kompleto na tayo pang pakbet. Pang pakbet talaga masarap. Okay? So, we're going to put na here in fridge. Kasi talagang wala na tayong gulay sa fridge. Ninay, come on, come with me and talong. Yeah? And some pipino. So, at least, come on, Ninay. At least hindi na malungkot ang ating fridge. Yan ha, kasya naman siguro dito. Oh. Ayan, dalawa. Okay. And some pipino here. And yan, may talong na tayo. Alright. And ang dami nating, wait. We'll do it later. Okay. Ayan na. Paldo tayo sa ampalaya. And we're going to sort this out, Nina, the tomatoes.
Yeah.
You know, this one.
Yeah.
We will put beside the window.
Okay.
So it will turn red, yeah?
Yeah.
So yun guys, para lahat talaga kaming nasa Philippines dito sa London. So ano sa tingin nyo guys? Please leave a comment. I'm very happy. We are very satisfied sa aming harvest for today. And of course, please thank you for supporting Bimbo Conejo Vlogs. Please like, share, and
Subscribe.
Nina. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.